Okay, I'm going to explain CP/M 1141 just as an example of this type of problem, which are often referred to as mixture or work problems. And really, they're just an example of when you combine different rates together, how does that affect the overall rate? So I'll just use this as an example again, but it's very similar to the other problems. You should be able to connect the same concepts. So in this problem, it says Hong can staple programs for graduation in 30 minutes. So Hong, 30 minutes. And then Eva has an electric stapler and it only takes her 10 minutes. And so if they work together, how long will it take to staple the programs? Well, one thing that you might consider is that it sounds like an addition problem, right? You're adding Hong and Eva's time. But that doesn't make sense that it would take 40 minutes if you add 30 plus 10, because it should take less time than either of them because they're working together. So Hong should be speeding up Eva's time, because if it takes her 10 minutes alone, it's going to take her even less time, or together it'll take them less time because Hong's going to contribute. So what we need to think about this is as a rate plus a rate. That's generally what it comes down to. So in this case, the rate is how many jobs each one can do. So Hong can do one job every 30 minutes. And Eva can do one job every 10 minutes. Now, they're going to be working for some amount of time, and the key is that the time is going to be the same because they both start and end at the same time. So if Hong works for X minutes, he gets some amount of the job done. We don't know how much, but less than half because he works slower than Eva. But if we say X minutes, then the units that we come up with is jobs there. So that'll come up in a little bit. And Eva works also for X minutes. So when the minutes cancel, you're also going to end up with jobs. So what we want is an equation that is jobs plus jobs equals jobs. Well, we already have Hong's, so his is 1 over 30 times X. That's how much job Hong does. And then Eva does 1 over 10 times X. And together, and this is the key, they do one job. So the fraction of the job are going to add up to be one whole. Well, now this is where the review comes in. You've learned how to solve equations like this. You could combine like terms. I would like to just do the fraction buster method. So multiply everything by 30. That means X plus, we're left with the 3 there when the 30 over the 10. And that's 30. So we get 4x equals 30. And so we get x equals 7.5. 7.5 was time. So it took 7.5 minutes together. And this makes sense because if Eva could do it alone in 10 minutes, she's going to do it a little bit faster with Hong. But since he works pretty slowly comparatively, he only helps speed it up a little bit. But that's how you do these problems, and you'll see that you can make a rate plus a rate equal some unit in all of these problems. So I hope this helps, and let me know if you have any questions.